it's Miss Debbie from the Addison Public Library. Today we're going to celebrate Black Cat Day, and what better way to celebrate than with one of my favorite cats, Pete the cat. But before we get started with our story, let's get our hands ready to do a hello song. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, wave your hands up high. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, look with both your eyes. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, listen with your ears. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, wiggle down to here. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, fold them in your lap. Hi everyone, good job on that song. What we're going to do next is read our book. This one's called Pete the Cat and the New Guy. It's by Kimberly and James Dean. This book is brought to us by Harper, an imprint of HarperCollins Publishers. So thank you, HarperCollins, for allowing us to use this book. It was Sunday, and Pete's friends had come to play. They were rocking to a new song when, beep, 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 there was a noise coming from across the street. Wise Old Owl had a view from his tree. Pete said, "Hey, Owl, what do you see?" Owl said, "All I see are green shoes and a red hat." Pete answers, "Sounds like my kind of cat." Pete could not imagine who this new guy could be. "I really hope it's a new friend for me." On Monday, Pete wanted to say hi, but he was feeling kind of shy. So he just rode by and by and by until finally Pete got to meet the new guy. Pete said, "I've never met anyone quite like you. You seem like a duck and like a beaver too." The new guy said to Pete, "Hi, my name is Gus. Glad to meet you. I'm a platypus." Pete said, "You're not like me, and I'm not like you, but I think being different is really very cool." We're all kind of different, aren't we? And that is what makes us unique and special. On Tuesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They gamed a squirrel who was playing in a tree. "Hi, Gus," said Squirrel. "Climbing is easy. Try and see." Gus gave the tree a try, but the branch was way too high. "I wish I could climb like you, but climbing is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad. Don't be blue. There's something everyone can do." I know I can't climb very well. I used to be able to, but it's okay, right? On Wednesday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. They came to Pete's friend, Grumpy Toad, who said, "Come play leapfrog with me. Jumping is easy. Try and see." Gus jumped and leapt, but he couldn't get over Toad or Pete. "I wish I could jump like you, but jumping is something I just can't do." Pete said, "Don't be sad. Don't be blue. There is something everyone can do." Everybody's different. Everybody can do different kinds of things, right? On Thursday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Soon they saw Octopus, who said, "Come juggle with me. Juggling is easy. Try and see." I don't think juggling's so easy. Do you think he can do it? I wish I could juggle just like you, but juggling is something I just can't do. Pete said, don't be sad, don't be blue. There is something everyone can do. On Friday, Pete and Gus took a walk down the street. Gus said, I can't juggle or jump or climb a tree. It's no fun around here for me. Oh, how sad. It looks like Pete is sad too. On Saturday, Pete hoped Gus would come out to play. I wish Gus wasn't sad. I wish Gus wasn't blue. I wish there was something we could do. Just then, Pete heard a groovy sound. It was coming from across the street. Gus was rocking to his own beat. Sweet! Pete said, check out Gus the platypus. He found something cool he can do with us. Tap, tap, thump, thump. He's playing the drums. Do any of you know how to play the drums? Thump, thump, tap, tap. He's not sad. He's not blue. Gus found something that everyone can do. And that's the end of Pete the Cat and the New Guy. I hope you enjoyed the story. Next, what we're going to do is a craft before we do our goodbye song. So I'm going to pan the video down here so that you can see what I'm doing. Today we are going to make a cool black cat just like Pete the Cat. So in order to get started, you need a black rectangle. This one's approximately 4.5 inches by 12 inches long. A smaller rectangle, this one is about 6 inches by 4.5 inches long. A large heart, some crayons, 2 small black hearts, 2 pink hearts that are small, 1 pink dot, and 1 piece of black paper that's like in a strip. You'll also need a glue stick for this project. To get started, we're going to take our long rectangle and we are going to fold about a 1/2 inch on each side of it. By the way, we do have craft kits available at the library in a limited quantity, so if you'd like all of these pieces, we have them available for you already. Otherwise, you can certainly cut them from items that you have at home. If you don't have black construction paper or black paper, you can always use plain white paper and just color it black with a crayon. So after we have these folds, we are going to take our piece, our smaller rectangular piece, and we're going to glue this to that. So I'm going to take my glue stick and put a little bit of glue on the inside fold here. And then I'm going to take my little black piece here and glue it. I like to count to 10. It's good counting. It's good to help me with my counting skills, and it also assures that the pieces will fit together in that amount of time or stick together very well. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to glue that other side and do the same thing again. Can you help me count to 10 one more time? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to have a piece that looks like a little D when it's together. Next, we're going to work on our face for the cat. So I am going to make the ears by taking 1 small heart and one small black heart and 1 small pink heart, and I'm going to glue those together. You're going to have them facing upside down so that the points look like this when you're done. You're going to have about 1/4 inch around the edge of the pink heart that is black. And let's do the same thing with this other one here. Put a little bit of glue on here and get it together. Those are going to make our ears. So you're going to put a little bit of glue on each one of these little bumps of the heart, and you're going to glue it behind your black heart, like this. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side now. Oh, glue on the little bumps here. And once you're finished with that, it's going to look like this. You've got your 2 ears. Next, I'm going to take the small pink circle and I'm going to glue it and put it down here at the bottom. And then I'm going to take my white crayon and I'm going to make some whiskers for my cat. Do 3 on this side and 3 on this side. And then I'm also going to make some white circles for the eyes. But when you look at your eyes, do you have eyes that are completely white, or is there another color that's inside your eyes? Usually there's another color. So I'm going to take my black crayon and make little slits for eyes inside. And once I'm done, this is what my face is going to look like. I'm going to take some glue, put it on the back here, and attach it to the body that we made that looks like the letter D before. We can count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll see that it's all on there. And then I'm going to take my last little strip of paper here and I'm going to curl it around my crayon. We're going to curl it around just like this. And then when you pull it out, see, it's curly. We can straighten it out just a little bit, but then we're going to take our glue stick and we're going to glue that to the back of the cat. And now we have our own cool Pete the cat. I hope that you enjoyed today's craft. Before we get going, let's sing a goodbye song. Can we get our hands ready once again for Open Them, Shut Them? Open them, shut them, open them, shut them, wave your hands up high. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to stop by the library to pick up your craft kit, or you can also ask us to send you some instructions. Just email us at children@addisonlibrary.org and we'd be happy to send them on. Have a great day.